Hey guys, it's Logan with Enduro Engineering, and here I'm going to show you our latest product coming out. It's the newest open-ended Moto Roost Deflector. Now is mounted right directly to your perch of the clutch and brake lever, saving you a lot of room on the handlebars. And also I'll show you why this is the strongest open-ended Moto Roost Deflector on the market. We've spent a lot of time trying to develop a product that's going to be strong to hold up, to crashes or collisions with trees or other things like that. So we've taken the composite arm and we've milled a pocket in here. That way it allows the composite arm to flex rather than break, and then combined with this aluminum arm is what's going to make it the strongest open-ended Moto Roost Deflector on the market. With the new aluminum mount, you still will have a little bit of adjustment up and down to give you a desired fit on your handlebar. We're going to show you it's a lot more stout than any other roost deflector on the market. You hit it from the front, yank on it side to side, it just doesn't have that movement. It's going to be the most stout roost deflector on the market. Alright, it seems like bikes nowadays come with a lot of handlebar buttons. The motocross, you've got starter buttons, kill switches, the start control buttons, traction control, all that going on. On off-road models, you've got a lot of buttons as well. This particular Beta has kill switch, starter button on this side. On this side, you're looking at light switches, blinker buttons, horn buttons, all that, taking up a lot of space. It's not leaving you much room on the handlebars for any additional items such as Moto Roost Deflectors. So with this new style mounted directly to your perch, you've got plenty of room because you're not adding anything. It's just taking up existing space mounted directly to your perch for your Moto Roost Deflectors. This particular YZ250 we have, they're running the Renthal twin wall handlebars. As most of you know, with the Renthals, they have the sleeve on it, which doesn't give you much room on either side for the controls. So, with your kill switch and some bikes having a starter button and things like that, it doesn't leave you much room for adding a Moto Deflector arm. So with these, we've developed them so that they mount right to the perch of both the clutch lever and the brake lever, saving you a lot of that valuable space on your handlebars. These new aluminum Moto Roost Deflector arms are super easy to install. You're basically just replacing the cap of the perch of the clutch lever and the brake lever. Only takes you a couple minutes to install it. When ordering, make sure you grab yourself a set of the Evo 2 Roost Deflectors. They come in 7 different colors, so choose out your favorite color and add them in addition to the Moto Roost Deflector part number. Currently we've got Yamaha, Beta, KTM ready to ship. Close behind is going to be Husqvarna and Honda and other models in the future. So to order yours today, give us a call at 517-393-2421 or visit us at enduroeng.com.